GBROS premiumwears.
Today we see the product is ladies printed panty. Uh, this week collection of prints, 10 different styles, designed for daily wear, long lasting and very smooth elastic, so that we used in inside legging, jegging, and also this panty made very soft fabric, can combine with any modern dresses. Now we see that quality of stitches, fabric and prints, inner elastic waistband and elastic leg elastic elastics. Very smooth feeling. This is available sizes is 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Every week change colors and designs. This week's available designs, this one.
GBROS premiumwears.